try too hard to look futuristic and forget what driving feels like. But 2026 Mazda CX-30 isn't one of them. It's a compact crossover that balances emotion, comfort, and practicality with a sense of refinement that stands out in its class. From the very first glance, its design shows confidence. The sculpted panels, flowing lines, and smooth curves catch the light beautifully. The front grille is bolder, framed by slim LED headlights that give it a sharp, modern stare. The slightly sloping roofline adds a sporty coupe-like profile, while the wide taillights at the back complete a sleek, mature look. Step inside, and Mazda's attention to detail becomes clear. Soft touch materials, elegant stitching, and metallic accents give the cabin a near-premium feel. The dashboard blends analog and digital elements seamlessly, with a driver-focused layout and refined ambient lighting. Front seats offer firm yet comfortable support for long drives, while the rear seats provide decent space for adults. The cargo area is practical for daily needs, perfect for groceries, weekend trips, or city life. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-30 offers two choices. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces around 186 horsepower and 186 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive is standard, giving added confidence on wet or uneven roads for those craving more performance. The turbocharged version is the one to pick. It delivers up to 250 horsepower and 320 pounds-ft of torque on premium fuel, offering a strong mid-range punch and effortless acceleration. The 6-speed transmission stays responsive, keeping power right where you need it. Mazda's all-wheel drive system uses intelligent torque distribution for better traction and cornering stability. On the road, the CX-30 feels poised and confident, the steering is precise, and the suspension walks the line between sporty and comfortable. You'll feel connected to the road without being punished by it. Fuel economy is respectable, with the standard engine delivering around 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway. The turbo sacrifices a bit of efficiency for performance, averaging about 25 mpg. Combined technology inside feels mature and intuitive. The infotainment system features clear graphics and simple menus, supported by physical buttons for essential controls. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium audio system, and a clear 360 camera view for PR. Mazda's iActiveSense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Everything you expect in a modern crossover, the driving experience is where the CX-30 shines. It's smooth and responsive in city traffic, yet agile on winding roads. The turbo model adds that extra spark, making it genuinely fun to drive. It's not just another compact SUV, it's one that makes you look forward to every trip. There are small trade-offs. Rear seat space could be more generous, and the firm suspension can feel slightly stiff on rough roads. But for most drivers, these are minor compromises for a crossover that feels this refined and engaging. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 positions itself perfectly between practicality and premium. It's stylish, comfortable, and built for drivers who still care about how a car feels. Whether you pick the base model for its balance or the turbo for excitement, you're getting a car that brings emotion back into everyday driving.